Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure Chrome is up to date and you're signed into your Google account. This ensures sync and extension permissions. Once done, open Chrome, go to More Tools Extensions, and open the Chrome Web Store from the menu. You're now in the right place to search or browse. Don't scroll aimlessly. Use the search bar to find the exact extension name and check the developer and ratings before you click Add to Chrome. Now you'll install and configure carefully. Click Add to Chrome and read the permission prompt. Permissions tell you why access is needed. After confirming, locate the extension icon at the top right and pin it for quick access. This makes management faster. Then open the Extensions Options or Settings page to configure preferences, keyboard shortcuts, and site access rules. Make sure to limit access to only necessary sites. Overly broad permissions are a privacy risk. Finally, restart or reload. Finish by managing, updating, and troubleshooting like a pro. Go to Chrome//extensions or More Tools Extensions to enable, disable, remove, or update extensions manually. Once done, decide if an extension needs incognito access and toggle it on only when necessary. If Chrome slows or pages break, disable extensions one at a time to isolate which one caused the issue. This is the fastest diagnostic. If removal still leaves problems, clear cache and restart Chrome, and make sure no conflicting security software blocks extension processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.